white though. But how small is that? That's okay. Now he's like under you. So Venus, this might be the earliest we've caught it. But see, that's not Jupiter. No way, Jupiter's getting ready to come up. So there's a little cloud things. It's not Jupiter looking out the window. There's Arcturus. No. Venus. Aldebaran. That's what that is of Taurus. See this part of the sky, I know a little bit better or more. But that looks tricky though. And wait, Jupiter is over there already. See, they are in the same pole. See, maybe we'll have this all. And using that one, that could be like